In this video I'm going to show you how to see your liked history on TikTok. So this is pretty good if you just want to see the videos you liked, maybe you want to unlike them or do whatever. So first open up your TikTok app, and once you have opened up your TikTok app, click on the bottom right to your profile and then top right for the hamburger menu. From there navigate to settings and privacy and then locate activity center. As you can see is the third option under content and display. You click on that and then click on watch history, and then you can go through every video you have seen and find that liked one. For example, this sandwich one. If you go like to likes, that means who liked your video, and the only way to find the liked ones is the way I just showed you through your watch history. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.